3 to 8.
Yes. Well, that's what I was thinking, and I want to put you on Tuesday now because Thursday, so hopefully that will be okay. As early as they get to bed, they should be okay. I know elementary school kids do so much better.
Hey, hello. Can you hear me?
I don't know.
I don't know what you've been doing for like 30 minutes.
Okay, I have got to tell you what I was doing just now. Okay.
It doesn't matter.
No, it does matter. Okay, Joel has told me not to sneak. He's told me not to sneak. So, I'm sitting here reviewing vlog stuff. Like I was like doing piano stuff, I was doing vlog stuff.
I had to make sure the kids didn't wreck the four-wheelers.
And let me show you. So Joel, I moved down the vlogs and your notes came up.
Oh.
And it said Sky Miles. And I was like, you know what? I have to. I was like, I have to. So,
You have to what?
So hold this.
You got on your Delta.
Yes! Okay, so I was like, you know what? I was like, I have to see. Like, I have to. I have not been sneaky this whole time. I opened the Fly Delta app. I hope that I was audible when I was on the when I was like looking at it, because I was like, I shouldn't do this. I shouldn't do this. And then I was like, Salt Lake to Las Vegas. I knew it. And then you're like, for what? And I was like, what do you mean for what? You asked me the question. And so then I was like, did I get that right?
Let's just show a little bit here.
Okay, Joel knows how religious I am about my calendar.
Well, so I've had meetings in these little spots for the past week and a half to throw Bonnie off the scent.
Joel, I'm so oily. I need to like
I know,
shower.
that's why I was waking you. Like, why do you think I came in? I was like, you got to get up from your nap. You can't be in your nap.
Okay, earlier.
You're still blurry. You're still blurry. Okay, there we go.
Earlier, when I was like, he was like, Bonnie, you can't do X, Y, Z because I have plans. And I was like, but what plans? Like, and then it was for our anniversary-ish. So then I was like, do I need a spray tan? And he said no. So I was like, maybe we're gonna be local. And he knows that I don't like getting a spray tan for like spa because.
No, what I was doing was like, Lincoln is like having a heyday washing the machines out there.
Oh, look
which I'm so happy he is. I hope he's not putting that down the gas tank.
Daddy, can I go ride again?
In a minute, bud. We gotta get him washed
Wait
first.
for Daddy. Hold on.
So, I told Bonnie wanted to do something else last weekend, and I was like, don't say anything, don't say anything, don't say anything. But what she wanted to do, I was like, this will directly affect our plans this weekend, so I gotta say something. I was like, no, that's our anniversary. Now this is our day we met anniversary, August 8th, 1998. It's been 23 years since me and this little gal first laid eyes on each other. It was love at first sight for me. It took 6 years to convince her. No, 6, 7, 8, however many it took. But we got it done, the job's done. Anyway, and I was like, we're doing something on Sunday. We're gonna take the Razor out with the kids and have a picnic. It's gonna be simple, but it'll be fun.
Okay. Okay, there's a few things that were flawed.
Did you read that though? You didn't read it though.
Read what?
You didn't read what the plans are.
No, I did. I
Did you?
saw spray tan.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then fly to Vegas. What? Din Tai Fun? Yeah,
That's our reservation.
That's our reservation.
We have a massage at the spa suite,
Is
which
that
we
in
had
our
all day.
hotel?
Mm-hmm.
And then Cirque du Soleil.
At 9:30 at night.
Oh, Dad, and then fly home. Oh, Joel, that's fabulous.
And do you know how difficult it is to keep a secret from your wife when she has her email on her 24/7? And I was like, she can't get any like text messages or anything. So I was like checking her email religiously, deleting emails.
And I've been like in my emails. I've been
And
like
then
working.
we both work out of my email. We both work out of each other's email, really. So I've had to like, I set up a separate folder. It's folder number 23 for 23 years, and it has all of our itinerary in it, and I've been like stashing them.
Joey.
So, sweetie, you got like an hour to get this
Grease?
ready for a spray tan.
Because I went and I got a massage today, and
Which-
I'm like all greasy.
I know that's like double standard, not double standard, like double dose, but I really did want Bonnie to have it so that she was relaxed and ready for our weekend.
Oh, and I just woke up from a nap. Like today was kind of like I really needed today. Like I told Joel, I said I've got so much going on and I can just like feel myself getting like high pressure, high stress. And so I went and got a massage today and
And Thailand kind of knew about it because I
Are they
couldn't.
coming?
No.
Oh, I thought for sure they'd be coming when
No.
I saw the reservation.
Well, I wanted to, but I was like, I think I'm just gonna do this, just me and you. We'll do it again.
Okay, there are a few things.
But I needed the tanning lady because I couldn't find it in your phone. I was like, what does she have it under? I put it under.
Global.
Yeah, no, got her name finally. Took me forever.
Okay, let me just tell you. You said we were going four-wheeling with the kids on Sunday, and I was like, there is zero chance in anyone's mind that Joel is going four-wheeling on Sunday. Joel's very adamant about keeping the Sabbath day holy. We try not to go grocery shopping, and so when you said we were going four-wheeling, I was like, you're a liar. And then I was like, you have a meeting with so-and-so on Saturday? I was like, we don't ever make, we don't make we don't make meetings on Saturdays because it's like,
That's
we
Saturday.
need our weekends too. And so
I was hoping you would just be like, well, he's just trying to get house things moved.
no, and that's what I figured, but you should have seen Joel's face. He was like, yeah.
Well, yesterday when I was making the dinner
I
with the
knew
chorizo,
it.
did you catch me?
Yes, I caught you. He was cutting up the chorizo. And he goes, I hope Bree sees this in here because she's like been to, anyway.
Dad, can you tell Boston?
And did you notice how I played it off?
Yeah, I was like,
What do you mean?
I was like, she knows. She's playing dumb.
I knew, and I was playing dumb.
But you didn't know all the details,
I
right?
did not know all the details, and I was really hoping that we would be going to Vegas because we just love small flights to Vegas. So I was hoping but I had no idea we'd be leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon.
So we'll get a wake up, we'll have a normal morning, get things done, and then like at noon, Bree comes with Winnie. Little Winston's gonna be
So we
here.
need to get our sheets washed. So we'll wake up and wash our sheets.
We'll wash your sheets tomorrow so you're spray tan. I've already thought of this, lady.
Oh my
I'm on top of
gosh,
these
she's
things.
so good. Is Bree excited to come?
Oh yeah.
Our windows are being
It's
sprayed.
the grass. He'll like spray until it blows a hole through. Now he's
Okay, well, you know what? I'm gonna close this vlog because I think it's been. Oh, I guess you were recording me for a long time, huh?
Well, I put it on, so I was like,
Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. We'll make a whole anniversary vlog for you. Ah, I can't wait. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you later. Bye.
you gotta get ready.